to be the land of fairs and festivals, and the country is set to celebrate one of the biggest festivals in Hinduism, Ganesh Chaturthi.
Call upon our friends to give a divine start to the show.
Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Deva. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Deva. Mata Jaki Parvati, Pita Mahadeva.
Ganapati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria.
Hey Arjun, what are you munching? Is it a sweet?
Yeah, it's Kolkattai, my favorite sweet. We offer this to Lord Ganesha on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi along with chana, sweet pongal and fresh fruits.
I'll definitely give it a try, Arjun. My grandma says that Lord Ganesha is the epitome of devotion and respect towards parents.
I agree, Vijay. Our friends are here to tell us more about that and gratify the incredible fascination that we learners have for stories.
Hello everyone. We all know that Lord Ganesha loves laddus, but did you know that he once worked hard for something a lot more healthy? It was a fruit, but no ordinary fruit. It was a powerful holy fruit, the fruit of knowledge, presented to his parents, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, by the sage Narada. Would you like to hear the story of the celestial fruit? Yes? Alright, here we go.
My name is Mushaka, but you can call me as Little Mouse. Do you think that I look familiar? That is because you probably saw pictures and idols of me with my master Lord Ganesha. I'm Lord Ganesha's Moana. But seriously, my master is amazing, kind, brave, and the cleverest brain you have ever seen. Just ask this weather, Lord Kartikeyan.
Oh yes, I can tell you so many stories about my brother's cleverness. Like the time we decided to have a race. Here's what happened. One day our parents were given a rare and powerful fruit by the wandering sage Narada. It was plump, juicy and delicious. Both my brother and I were very eager to eat it. So we asked our parents to decide who would get the fruit.
I am Shiva, Lord of Kailash, but I am also a parent, and like every other parent, I have to sometimes mediate between my two children, like the time they asked me to decide who would get the holy fruit. Done.
Narayana, Narayana. Hello children, I am Narada, sage, traveler and storyteller.
Oh, so you are listening to the story between my lord and his brother, are you? I really thought my master Kartikeyan would win.
Hello children, were you surprised to hear that it was my eldest son Ganesh who won the race? I have to say, I could not help laughing at the clever solution he found to the problem. And so, by circling us, he has circled not just the earth, but the entire universe. What a clever solution! news. President Joe Biden on Thursday pledged robust federal help for the northeastern and Gulf states battered by Hurricane Ida and for western states beset by wildfires, with the catastrophe serving as deadly reminders.
Hi, this is Nisha presenting National News. Union Education Minister Dhamini Prabha held a meeting with senior ministry officials on Wednesday on the status of the reopening of school across the country and the roadmap for vaccinating their staff.
Hi everyone, this is Advita here presenting you the sports news. After the years delay, the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics is finally on with the 12 days of sporting action. India has won 15 medals so far with 3 gold, 7 silvers and 5 bronze. I am Liana with the local news. Common Effluent Treatment Plants (CETPs) would be established in 10 locations in Erode and Namakkal districts to prevent discharge of effluents from industries into water bodies. Bestow my Ashirwad on all of you on this auspicious day. Thank you.